Did you know that your brain is secretly sabotaging your savings? That's right. Most people don't realize that the way they think about money is the reason they can't keep it. The problem isn't how much you earn. It's how you spend. In this video, I'm going to reveal the psychology behind spending habits and teach you how to reprogram your brain to finally take control of your finances. Why do some people seem to build wealth effortlessly, while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? It's not just about budgeting. It's about psychology. Your money habits are shaped by hidden mental triggers that influence how you spend, save, and even feel about money. By the end of this video, you'll understand why you keep making the same financial mistakes and how to fix them. Plus, stick around because I'll reveal a game-changing mindset shift that could completely transform your financial future. Think about the last time you bought something you didn't really need. Maybe it was an expensive coffee, a new gadget, or clothes you never wore. You told yourself, it's just a little treat. But those little treats add up. The truth is, spending money isn't just about necessity. It's emotional. Marketers and advertisers know this, and they use psychological tricks to make you spend more without even realizing it. But don't worry, it's not your fault. Your brain is wired to seek immediate rewards. It's called instant gratification, and it's the reason why saving money feels like a struggle. But today, I'll show you how to hack your brain and turn bad spending habits into wealth-building ones. The emotional spending trap. Let's start with a little experiment. Imagine you're having a bad day. What's the first thing you want to do? Maybe grab a snack, order takeout, or go shopping. That's because emotions drive spending. When you're happy, you celebrate by spending. When you're sad, you comfort yourself by spending. This is called emotional spending, and it's one of the biggest reasons people struggle with money. Before making a purchase, ask yourself, am I buying this because I need it or because I'm feeling a certain way? If it's emotion-based, try a different way to cope, like taking a walk or calling a friend. The power of dopamine, the shopping high. Ever feel a rush of excitement when you buy something new? That's dopamine, the brain chemical that makes you feel pleasure. Shopping triggers dopamine, making you feel good, at least for a little while. But here's the problem. The more you shop for that quick high, the more your brain craves it, turning spending into an addictive cycle. Next time you're tempted to buy something impulsively, use the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 days before making the purchase. If you still want it after 48 hours, go for it. But chances are, the urge will fade. The illusion of good deals. Ever bought something just because it was on sale? That's called the scarcity effect. When we think something is limited, we rush to get it before it's gone. Marketers know this and use phrases like limited time offer or only 2 left in stock to trick your brain into spending more. Remind yourself, a discount is not a reason to buy. If you weren't planning to buy it before, you're not actually saving money. You're just spending less on something you didn't need. How your childhood shapes your spending habits. Believe it or not, the way you think about money started in childhood. If you grew up in a family where money was always tight, you might have a scarcity mindset, hoarding money out of fear. On the other hand, if you were given money freely, you might struggle with impulse control. Identify your money mindset. Ask yourself, what beliefs about money did I learn as a child? Then challenge those beliefs. If you grew up thinking, money is hard to get, start telling yourself, money flows to me when I manage it well. The secret to breaking bad. Money habits. Now here's the most important part. Automate your savings. The best way to stop yourself from spending mindlessly is to take money out of your hands before you can even see it. How? Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right when you get paid. This way, you won't even miss the money, and your savings will grow effortlessly. Here's the truth. Money isn't just about numbers. It's about psychology. If you don't control your money mindset, It will control you. But now you know how to outsmart your brain's bad spending habits. By recognizing emotional spending, resisting marketing tricks, and setting up automatic savings, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. But before we go, here's one final thought. The richest people aren't the ones who make the most money. They're the ones who know how to keep it. Now, I have a question for you. What's the biggest financial mistake you've ever made? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content on mastering your money mindset.